All right, we check out the Fifine AM8 dynamic microphone. I also want to shout out Fifine Audio for setting up this microphone.
Alright, so here we go. It works with Windows, Mac, PS4, and PS5. Has XLR and USB connections. I'm going to be using USB because I don't have XLR cables on me. I've always used USB. But if this is a good experience, I'm going to be moving to XLR for this microphone permanently. But I'm going to be on USB for this video. Boop! Y'all know what I do with users guides. Base right here. Nice solid base. Has like a little plasticky metallic type of feeling to it. Like that, so it's gonna have some weight. I don't want to use bases though, but if y'all do, it's a pretty good base. It's pretty solid. Okay. Oh wait, that's a mic cover that comes with it. I forgot what it's called. Cause I got one over here on my Blue Yeti microphone right here. I had to buy this separately from the Blue Yeti, but I know it gets that that sound out of your microphone. You know what I'm saying? Gets a really good quality. Feels like wool, not wool. You know, I'm like really comfortable blanket y'all put on whenever winter comes around. That's what this feels like right here compared to this, but I bought this cheap off of like Amazon or something. This stuff feels like it's a better quality one. Not even lying to y'all. I'm gonna be brutally honest on that. All right, so we got this right here. I'm assuming this is like to turn on the RGB. I don't know yet. That's what I'm assuming. We got both monitoring controls for the microphone and the headphones right here. Gives me that little like podcaster type of vibe to it. Fits the whole streamer thing I do. For this part right here, this is for the monitoring for your headphones. And here's USB. And there's the XLR connection right here. Now, like I said, I don't got no XLR cables, but I can probably grab me a mixer and a XLR cable later on down the road. Back here, I believe this is the mute button. I'm not sure yet. It's just what I'm going off for speculation off from what I'm seeing. And this is why user manuals are important. I know what y'all gonna say. This. All right, lastly, we got the cable here, USB Type-C, and main USB hub here. Ooh, this is an adapter on it. Come on. Nice. Alright, fine. If y'all watching this, thank you for including this right here. Alright. Time to get this thing started. I'm going to do a mic comparison from my current microphone that I've been using for the past, when was the pandemic? How many years ago was that? To now, the AM8.
I'm about to unplug this one, so I'm going to be mute for a couple minutes as I get this thing set up. I'm gonna see if it works with my arm. Hopefully it works with my arm because I don't really use bases like I said earlier. But yeah, 1 second. Okay, so I don't know what the audio is gonna be sounding like right now. I'm taking the risk recording like this. I'm gonna try to mute right click with the button. So I'm gonna just say something like, I don't know, 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. I don't know if it worked yet. I don't know if the tap thing worked the way it's supposed to. I saw like little meter went down, but I don't know if how the quality is gonna sound. I'm just doing this vanilla right out the box. So I'm surprised it worked with my mic arm because it had like a different like thing here for my Blue Yeti. See, I almost broke the freaking microphone at the bottom. But yeah, let me like plug this in. I kept the other plug in just in case I can compare the two. So Fifine audio here. 3, 2, 1. I do got it plugged in. I just want to show y'all for proof. I got it plugged in right here. So 3, 2. Okay, so this is me testing out everything with my Blue Yeti. I didn't touch any settings or anything. I just replugged it in since I still got it hooked in through the mic arm. So let me know what y'all think is better. This is the Blue Yeti. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. I'm not no professional audio person, so I'm just doing it based off of just basic recording and streaming, because that is what I do. So what y'all think about this? Good, bad? All right, and here is the Fifine microphone. Just so y'all know, again, this is no settings apply or anything. I'm just doing this straight out the box. But y'all will see how the microphone will realistically work in my future videos and also my upcoming streams as well. I'm gonna be using this for my first stream for 2026. Link to that in the description below. And hot shameless plug. But yeah, what y'all think? Comment down below what y'all think. I'll be doing a full review of this microphone most likely in the next coming weeks. I just need to make sure I have everything set up. Now I officially unboxed it, and now the work week is over, I have time to record some. But yeah, if y'all enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe if you're new, and yeah, I will see y'all in the next video. Peace.